Hello everyone, in this video I show you 0 multiplied by anything is not equal to 0. Most of the student perplex that how it is possible. So later on I gave you some example and in which you can clearly see that 0 multiplied by anything is not equal to 0. So the thing is I what I think that 0 multiplied of what is equal to 0. So for that 0 multiplied by anything defined equal to 0. So the here term defined is very important. So firstly I recall 0 multiply anything is not equal to 0, so it is correct statement. But 0 multiply anything defined is equal to 0, this is also true. There is difference, so I give you one example that is adequate for you. So example is under root x minus 3 multiplied by under root cos x minus 3. So this question is basically related to a domain of a function. So or you can say function, or you can say it is a expression. It is a expression. So firstly we know, if I am talking about this one, so x minus 3 is in under root. So we clearly see in under root we cannot take negative sign. So most probably the domain of x minus 3 should be greater than and equal to 0. So clearly x should be greater than or equal to 3. Okay, now here is sign of a multiply. If you aware about a set theory, and multiply is basically nothing but an intersection. So in this case same cos x minus 3 is in under root, so it means cos x and minus 3 should be greater than equal to 3, but the I'm sorry, here is 0. Okay, so cos x is greater than equal to 3 from next step. Now the thing is cos x cannot be greater than or equal to 3, because we already know that the uh, range of a cos x is lie between -1 and 1. So no any value of x can be written here so that it is equal to or greater than 3. So x should be nothing, so we cannot write here 0 because it is not definable. So I write here x is equal to 5. It is a null set basically, if you aware about a set theory. So it is a null set, and if I taking intersection of x is greater than equal to 3 with x is equal to 5, and our answer should be x is equal to 5, that is null set. So clearly this is firstly undefinable, means undefined, and this is definable, means definable. So if I here dot is represent a sign of a multiplier, so clearly our answer is not equal to 0. So or you can clearly see that it is behave like some student think that it is equal to 0, but the thing is it is 5, and 5 is our null set, and the thing is it is undefinable. From my previous slide I clearly here mentioned that if you make 0 multiply by anything, it cannot be equal to 0. So this is a perfect example. This thing is our not definable, but if you multiply 0 multiply by define, then it should be equal to 0. And for example 0 multiply by let's say 5, and 5 is clearly definable, so it is also equal to 0. but we cannot consider 0 in this case. So I hope you understand what I am trying to saying. So thank you.